Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a small flathead screwdriver. You may also need an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrical damage. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover. You will need to unscrew the 8 Phillips screws located around the edges of the back panel. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, working your way around the edges until it pops off. Be cautious not to damage the clips that hold the cover in place. With the back cover off, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure safety while working on the device. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical shorts. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is handled safely. Now, turn your attention to the screen assembly. You'll find additional screws securing the screen's bezel. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the bezel using the spudger. Take your time with this step to prevent cracking the screen or damaging the bezel. After removing the bezel, locate the screws that hold the screen in place. Carefully unscrew these and set them aside. Next, gently lift the screen from its hinges. Make sure to pull the screen away from the laptop, not just upward, as there are cables attached to the back. Now, disconnect the video cable that connects the screen to the motherboard. This cable is usually secured with adhesive, so gently lift it off using a small flathead screwdriver or your fingers. If you find it challenging, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you can avoid the hassle of transporting your laptop if you prefer professional help. With the old screen removed, it's time to prepare the new screen. Ensure it is compatible with your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514 ABR8 model. Carefully connect the video cable to the new screen, making sure it's secure and properly seated. Once connected, place the new screen gently into position, aligning it with the hinges. Next, screw the new screen into place using the screws you previously removed. Be sure to tighten them securely but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. After that, reattach the bezel carefully. Ensure it snaps back into place without any gaps. Now, reconnect the battery by plugging it back into its connector. Before closing the back cover, ensure everything is correctly assembled. You can power on the device to test the new screen. If everything looks good, power it off again. Finally, place the back cover back on the laptop and screw it into place. Ensure all screws are tightened properly. Remember, if you ever need assistance with repairs, we offer quotes before repair, so you know exactly what to expect without any surprises. And there you have it. You have successfully replaced the screen on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 514 ABR8. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.